Last topic of conversation for today, gentlemen, is Saint Stephen, and Saint Stephen is the first martyr. Okay, um, his witness, his kind of death, is meant to mirror a little bit Jesus. He's supposed to be seen as kind of a model for Jesus, and that's what we should all be trying to do as saints, right? Is trying to be Christ-like in some way. Saint Stephen is he's kind of brought in by the Sanhedrin because Saint Stephen's doing a great job preaching in the name of Jesus, and the Sanhedrin trying to take him out. Like, oh, maybe if we could take out their best guy, then maybe we can kind of cut off this whole thing. So Sanhedrin is accusing him of blasphemy, and they're actually accusing him of something that would put him to death, right? And he is making this last attempt to prove his case. So he walks through all of Israel's history, essentially, from the perspective that they have now, knowing that Jesus, right, fulfills all of the scriptures, right? Christ is the thread that is woven through the whole thing. And I really can't believe how much this is actually true, because I'm doing these grad school papers now, and I just did a paper. It's like 6 verses, so it's the arrest of Jesus, and every single line, it seems like there are at least 3 or 4 references to the Old Testament that are being fulfilled just in that one line. It's crazy. St. Stephen gives his story. He gives his defense, a beautiful witness, and they are enraged, and they stone him to death. And as they stone him to death, he prays that God can have mercy on them. So, just as Jesus prayed on the cross, Father, forgive them, they know not what they do, St. Stephen is doing the same as he's dying, and he becomes the first martyr of the church. So, it's a beautiful witness to the faith. That's it. Anything else? Do we have another slide here? No. Okay. So, your guys' homework for tonight, I believe, is on the next slide.